Feels like another heat wave in the city and the freeways. Extremities polarized the same. Thoughts colliding and bringing about change. Thought patterns mapping in the brain waves. The polygraphs record the difficult things. Secrets of subject long time hidden away. Biorhythms read the same pattern, same way. Mathematical cycles recurrent with the slightest change of pace. What does the scientist and mathematician say? A prediction still left up to chance must be pseudoscientific waste. Biofeedback of emotion, activity, and birth cycles, how they oscillate. Statistics and methodology subject to error and bias trait. Same way how the news report the world situations of the day. If emotions and misinformation set in place, what actions will escalate? If the sine waves fluctuate just the same, what is the end result and takeaway? Subatomic interplay and micromanaging the playing field in this thing. All is subject to a harsh recourse if the movement is thought, I say. Architecture of scope and grandeur in the midst of the highest planes. Limitless in the range, beyond all experiential contemplate. What is the density measurable to instrumentation of a single sun ray? Record and recognizable complexity of a single brain wave. Is the thing limited to a zigzag line upon the page? As a memory lying dormant in the eye of the subject not awake. Done away is the pixelated mind matrix and rearranged without a trace. As a sensory ripple gray matter dispensary shuffling shatter in its place. Obscured from recollection and filed away under repressed thoughts erased. Retrieval navigate in psychology study scenario case by case. What is density measurable to instrumentation of a single sun ray? Record and recognizable complexity of a single brain wave. In this thing limited to a zigzag line upon the page. As a memory lying dormant in the eye about the subject not awake. Feels like another heat wave in the city and the freeways. Extremities polarized the same. Thoughts colliding and bringing about change. Thought patterns mapping in the brain waves. The polygraphs record the difficult things. Secrets of subject long time hidden away. Biorhythms read the same pattern, same way. Mathematical cycles recurrent with the slightest change of pace. What does the scientist and mathematician say? A prediction still left up to chance must be pseudoscientific waste. Biofeedback of emotion, activity, and birth cycles, how they oscillate. Statistics and methodology subject to error and bias trait. Same way how the news report the world situations of the day. If emotions and misinformation set in place, what actions will escalate? If the sine waves fluctuate just the same, what is the end result and takeaway? Subatomic interplay.